Teaching just got easier. AI and education. What does this mean for students, teachers, and instructors? Will the students be allowed to use AI to help with homework, or will AI be deemed as an easy way out? What does AI do for how they study? Let's look at what AI can do in the classroom, as a study aid, and as a viable resource. Using ChatGPT, ask it about what, when, where, and how of any subject. Teachers, you need a new project, something that is different this year, something that is engaging for your students. Ask AI about a science project or history project, about geography, another country, any topic. Cool, right? Teachers, there are loads of tools you can use to make life as a teacher sweet. Yes, no more daunting task grading papers. Use AutoGrade. AutoGrade is a game changer for teachers. No more time-consuming tasks. This has been an overwhelming task for teachers. AI automates this task by grading writing assignments for teachers. GradeScope is another awesome auto-grading tool. And teachers, guess what? Your long nights of grading papers are over. Yes, that's right, over. You can now spend time with the family, catch your favorite show, or just relax. An AI tool that can grade written assignments for teachers. Just upload assignments or assessments, and AI auto-grading automatically grades them using machine learning algorithms. Teachers can review and adjust grades before giving them back to students. Differentiated learning. Teachers can customize lessons to meet their students' needs. Yes, this is cool. Top Hat's Content Marketplace provides teachers with access to a library of customizable course content that they can use to create engaging, interactive lessons. Education Copilot can AI generate structured lesson plans as well as help create lesson material. And lastly, ChatGPT can be used as a search engine replacement, asking the conversation chatbot to retrieve exact information to your lesson planning question. Start using these tools with your lesson planning and get a life.